Ficht 150 RAM, Evinrude. Got 2 batteries. As you can see, I do have charge, but the engine is giving no sign of life. As you can see here, no beep, no nothing. Trim doesn't work either. Let's try and fix it. So, as you can see, I tore all the cables open so I could search for the reason it wasn't, getting power. I had checked all the fuses and relays, and my problem actually was on this here little fuse. Even though I checked it, it looked okay, but it for some reason wasn't. Even though it looked okay, it was burned. So after hours and hours of chasing wires and everything being alright, I decided to test the fuses with a multimeter, with the continuity test, and that one wasn't working. So I replaced the fuse, and guess what? All those hours were unnecessary. Now, as you can see, trim works, and also the engine. So let's start it and check it out.